Hello everyone, this is JJ Filangieri discussing my tech tool that I found and did some research on. I'm using Screencast-O-Matic to talk about all of the things that come with this site. When you first open up this tool, Science 360, there are 8 tabs that you can see across the top. There are 5 main tabs that I see that you can use across your lessons. You have the Topics tab, which is great for a science teacher that wants to do a lesson on, say, Earth and Environment. You click on the Earth and Environment tab under the topics and it brings you to this list of all the stuff that's relevant and going on in the Earth and Environment science genre. If you wanted to do another topic, say astronomy and astrophysics, you just click on that and it brings you to that topic. So on and on, you can just choose whatever topic you want. Then there is the News tab, where if you click on the News tab, it brings you to the most updated news that's going on during the day. So this is the video of the day, and this is the top story of the day, and it updates every day, which is a great thing to do if you want to put it on the screen and play the video for the students when they walk into your science classroom. I'm going to skip the radio tab for a second and click the video tab and show you and talk to you about this. When you click the video tab, the videos pop up and you have the featured video of the day along with new videos along the right hand side, which is great. You can look through videos. If you click the tablets tab, it shows you what you could expect to see if you downloaded this app, the Science 360 app, on your tablet or smartphone. And then my favorite tab is the radio tab, which provides all basically like podcasts of science related talks that you can listen to whenever you want if you're in the car or something. I haven't done it yet, but I'm planning on it just to listen to podcasts and stuff about science in the car. Or you can play these throughout your science lesson, which is a really good tool to have. So I really like this tool. I look forward to using it in my classroom. It is more designed for the science classrooms, but I mean, if you want, there are articles for an English teacher to, annotate and examine in her classroom or something like that. And then there are also some math articles. The only thing it's lacking in terms of cross-curriculars is social studies. But I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you check out this tech tool. Thank you.